Hey guys, welcome to Track 'em KY. We're going down to the lake fishing, and look up there at the beagles. Look at the beagles. Oh my God, they're coming out of the cage. Oh my God, you see that? These.
Don't make it all good.
Did you all see that just then? We almost witnessed a cage full of dogs come crashing out. You can go around him. He's gonna be a minute.
Oh God, they hate him.
But anyway, I can't help it. Okay. But anyway, guys, we're headed to the lake. We almost seen catastrophe. There are beagles. But anyway, we're headed down to Cedar Lake right now. We're going to do some fishing. Hey, got my new Track 'em KY hat on. Brandon's got his on over there. Can't see the logo, but right there, awesome. Got our hat. See right there? There we go. See that? Yeah, we're going fishing. Picked up a couple new baits. Check this out. Bam, right there. 2.5. Check it out, springtime, guys. It's time to be using these right here. But anyway, we're gonna do a little fishing off the bank today. We're gonna throw a lot of different things, but we'll talk about that when we get there. Also, got a 25 pack of straight shank rim bend hooks, XPS, right here, size 2/0 for my flukes and stuff. Yep, that's what I use. But anyway, we're going down here. We're gonna hit the water, or stand by the water. I'm still alive for the beagles. Oh, we got that.
It pinned that one in the corner.
They were going wild. But we will see when we get to the water. Nailed one on a jig. Hey Brandon, come here and help me. Hurry. 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 Fast. Lay down there. I'm gonna bring him to you. Yes! Yeah, baby! Appreciate it, buddy.
There you go.
Oh man, nice one, guys. Got this on a jig, flipping it in the trees right over there. This lake's got some monsters in it. Some monsters. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna let this fella go to be caught again. Oh, first big one of the year. There he goes. Catch and release. Give me 5 on that. Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you what I was doing here. 10-pound test suffix on my spinning reel. Fix my handle word roll backwards. I'm still shaking. That's the first fish of the day. But it's evening, cold front. That's when they start biting. Yeah, right here. Check this out. That's the bait right there. Just a little jig. I flipped right on the edge of that right there. Let it sink down, got in some trees, and then just started twitching it out of trees. And I mean, he came up. But got on this right here, this little setup. Awesome catch. Let's see if we can catch another one. Hold on. Awesome.
Ah! Oh my god, it just fell out. How about that? Oh god. Lay it over. Hey, see them limbs?
Yeah.
I kept trying to get over and I couldn't. I finally got over. It started going that way.
Yeah, awesome. Let's see him.
Probably about 3.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Beautiful.
Thank you,
You
thank you.
just kill fishing off freaking bank.
Picture.
Catching them, yeah.
The jig
Look what he's
is
getting.
way to
The
go.
jig, baby. The jig. The jig. Let him go. Let her go. She's busting with eggs. I got a jig halfway out in the lake right now.
Doesn't take much from the rod. Right
Beast mode. Give me 5 on that. Give me 5 on the jig. Figured it out. Go with the jig. Slow it down.
Limby trees.
Limby trees, baby. I'm going back. Good deal. Well, guys, we figured a pattern out. Took us a while. We fished jerk baits, crankbaits, as you can see laying there. Red crankbaits. Awesome during spring. We want jigs today. I have to say, awesome day, to say the least. And we throwed, like I said, we throwed red eye shad, crankbait, jerkbait, and then went to the jig, and the jig was key for us to get those 2 bass. I hope you enjoy the video. Hope you like the video, guys. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Join us right here. A lot of fish coming up 2018.
Yep.
But if you've not entered in the giveaway, if you've not went and done the giveaway, at the end of the video, I think it may be right over here or over there, will be a link to the video. I'm giving some lures away and stuff. Get involved in that. Take a chance on trying to win those. But anyway, I'll let you go. This is Chuck Tracker KY along with Mr. Brandon sitting over on the other side driving. We're going to go get us some Taco Bell and head home, and we'll see you in the next one.